Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, senior broker here at RJO Futures, and I'm here with your currency commentary for this morning. We had the ECB rate decision. Rates came out unchanged, which is pretty much what we were expecting. I think we're going to see this kind of flat tone coming out of the ECB as we get closer to the end of the year, where they take over the role as the regional bank manager, overseeing all bank transactions and analysis and making sure that the bank requirements are in line. So they'll be policing the banks. In the meantime, their target rate of 2% is not being hit. We're seeing not deflation because it's not negative, but they're looking at ways to reflate the market. So I think this unchange in the rate decision gives them time or buys them time to do or at least analyze a couple of the other things that they're looking at right now. One of the things they're looking at is money market movements. And I think that if they're looking at money market movements, they're probably looking at strength in the dollar. If the US dollar continues to go higher or still gain strength, even though we're seeing a setback off today's rate decision, we're still making higher lows and the trend is still to the upside. That'll obviously put pressure on the euro, which long-term should create inflation for the ECB. So that's one aspect of this. Another aspect of this is also the ECB is also looking at negative deposit rates, pushing deposits out into risk. Risk obviously creates inflation, obviously, purchasing power and so on and so forth, building and rebuilding their infrastructure, their economical infrastructure. So that's another aspect of this. They're just analyzing these things right now. They've been analyzing them, but I think they don't want to rock the boat too much. They're not going to raise rates or lower rates, I don't think, anytime soon. So with that being said, we're still obviously looking for strength in the dollar. And if you have any questions, feel free. Give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, senior broker here at RJO Futures. And I look forward to hearing from you. Futures and options may involve substantial risk and is not suitable for everyone.